Picture this. Payday just hit. You check your balance and see $2,400. You feel good. Maybe you grab lunch out, order something online, treat yourself a little. A week later, you check again, and you're down to $600, and you have no idea where it went. Here's the uncomfortable truth. It wasn't one bad purchase. It was one bad account. My name is Jack, and if you've ever felt like your money vanishes even when you didn't buy anything crazy, hit subscribe because this one habit is probably the real reason. Most people keep everything in a single checking account. Paycheck in, rent out, groceries out, random purchases out, all from the same pool. And that setup does something sneaky to your brain. When you see one number, your brain treats the whole thing as spending money. It doesn't automatically subtract rent, subtract bills, subtract the stuff you already owe. It just sees $2,400 and thinks, I've got $2,400, even though maybe $1,900 of that is already spoken for. This is called mental accounting, and behavioral economist Richard Thaler won a Nobel Prize partly for proving how bad humans are at it. If your money isn't physically separated, your brain won't separate it either, and that leads to something researchers call frictionless spending. Tap your card, tap your phone, done. No pause, no resistance, no moment where your brain says, wait, can I actually afford this? So here's the fix, and it's almost stupidly simple. 2 accounts. Account 1 is your bills account. Rent, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, everything fixed. The second your paycheck lands, that exact amount moves here automatically. No debit card, no spending from it, ever. Account 2 is your spending account. This is groceries, going out, coffee, shopping, anything flexible. And here's the part that changes everything. This account only holds what's actually left over. Let's do the math. Say you earn $3,000 a month. Bills add up to $1,700. That leaves $1,300. Maybe $600 goes to spending. $400 to savings, $300 to investing. Now, instead of seeing $3,000 and guessing, your spending account just says $600. That's it. That's your real number. No mental math, no guessing, no accidentally spending your rent money on takeout. You might be thinking, couldn't I just track this myself in one account? Sure, in theory, but almost nobody actually does the math every single time they buy something. Your brain takes the shortcut. The 2-account system removes the shortcut entirely. And here's the surprising part. This isn't really about willpower. It's about environment. If candy sits on your desk, you eat more of it. Move it across the room, you eat less. Same person, same candy, different result. Money works exactly the same way. Separating your accounts just moves the candy bowl out of reach. Setting this up takes about 10 minutes. Open a second checking account. Rename one bills, one spending. Calculate your fixed monthly expenses. Set an automatic transfer for payday. That's the entire system. No app, no spreadsheet, no tracking every latte. Because the truth is, most money advice tells you to have more discipline, but discipline is unreliable. A system isn't. And once your setup works with your brain instead of against it, staying on top of money stops feeling like a fight. So if your paycheck keeps disappearing and you can't explain where it went, this is probably why. 1 account, 1 blurry number, and a brain that can't tell the difference between mine and spoken for. Fix that, and everything else gets easier. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more videos on actually understanding your money instead of just hoping it works out.